guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am kind of breaking my no buy, and I feel like I've done really good for the most part of the year. Okay, so actually, you know what, maybe I haven't, because I think my rule was unless I'm replacing something or I'm getting it like secondhand / thrifted. Was that the caveat? I think it was. So, okay, scratch all that, never mind. I have a bag unboxing from the RealReal, and I am so excited. If you keep up with fashion and trends and all of what the cool girls are wearing, I try to keep up with them. I don't like... If it resonates with me, then I do it. And if it doesn't, then I don't. I think I've pretty much pinpointed my personal style, and this one definitely caters more to my style. I'm rambling. Let's get into the good stuff, and I will tell you about it along the way. This is the bag. What is trending right now in the bag world is really big style. Think 2009, 2010, 2011. And I was looking at the Free People, I think it's the Emerson bag. Can't remember the name exactly, but I was looking, and this bag is like $250. And I was like, I'm not doing that. Like, if I'm spending that kind of money, I want like a better name than Free People. So I went to the RealReal, and I haven't bought anything from the RealReal, I think, since last year, maybe, whenever I got my jewelry pieces. I typed in big squishy bags, I think, or something like that, and I did searching, and I found this one. Now, this is a vintage Jimmy Choo. I do not know what circuit it is, but this one is so cool. It's definitely my style. It has the gold hardware, and on the RealReal website, it said that it was in good condition. There was definitely some wear and tear, which is fine. That means it's already broke in for me, and so that's kind of what I was looking for. But both sides has this really cool like leather feature. Here's the side and the other side, and it has these gold loops on it that are so cool. Like, look at that. And it's already like slouchy, but she's just so cool. I am so excited to have her added in my collection. I am obsessed. It's been sitting beside my front door for a week, and I haven't used it because I've been waiting to do this video. Here's the inside. It is massive, and this is really where you can tell where the wear and tear is. There's the logo. We have a zipper pouch right here that's a really good size. It looks like we've got like a little key holder loop right here, and then we have pockets on all sides so that there's a little bit of organization within this big open hole, basically. Anyway, so I will be trying to find some type of like bag charms. I don't want to just like jump on the trend and just start buying like new, like brand new type charms. I want to be able to maybe find them at like thrift stores, or if I travel somewhere and I find something really cool. So I don't want to just throw a whole bunch of crap on. But anyways, I thought that I would share this and tell you that I did not break my no buy for 2025. And yeah, that's it. I hope that you guys like it. What do you think? If you know what year this is, sometimes on the RealReal they will have like the year in the description or like the details. It wasn't on this one, and so if you happen to know what year this is from, let me know, because it is just too cool. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Again, if you can tell me what year this is from, please let me know, like shoot me a message or something. But yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye.